Welcome to ilectureonline. Here we have another interesting question from the JEE main tests, and this one deals with diodes in the circuit. So let's read the question together. It says a 5-volt battery is connected across the points X and Y. Assume D1 and D2 to be normal silicone diodes. Find, and that should be a D, find the current supplied by the battery if the plus volt terminal of the battery is connected to point X. And I'm making all kinds of spelling errors here. Point X, there. All right. We got 4 possible answers, and one of those four has to be correct. Now, what are the principles here that you need to know in order to be able to answer this question? Otherwise, it'd just be purely some guesswork. So what are the principles? Well, with diodes, there's 2 things you need to know. First of all, direction. So let me go ahead and plug in the battery, and they want the positive side to be on the X point. So we have something that would look like this. So we have the positive end of the battery going this way, which means current is pushing the circuit this way. Now, the first principle is that diodes will only allow current in a given direction, and its direction given by the point of the triangle. So in this case, current can go this way, but here current can only flow this way. Since the battery forces current going this way, then you will have no current here, and current will go here. All right, so that's the first principle, current direction. Like that. Secondly is, wherever current flows across a diode, there will be a voltage drop. And you need to know what that voltage drop is. And usually the voltage drop is approximately equal to 0.7 volts. So if you don't know that, you're stuck as well. So you need to know the current direction through a diode, and you need to realize that the voltage drop will be about 0.7 volts. Since the battery is a 5-volt battery, that means that here you're going to have a voltage drop of minus 0.7 volts, which leaves only 4.3 volts across the resistor. And so let's kind of put it like this. So only a 4.3 volt difference across the resistor. And of course, there's no volts across this one because no current is flowing through the 5 ohm resistor to the branch that has a diode like this. And that's the purpose of the diodes, is to allow current only in a particular direction. So now that you know that you have a voltage drop of 4.3 volts across the resistor, now let's go back, and what are we looking for? We need to find the current supplied by the battery if the plus terminal of the battery is connected to point X. So now we go to Ohm's law. We know that I equals V over R. So in this case, the voltage drop is 4.3 volts. The resistance is 10 ohms. That means we have a current of 0.43 amps. And that means the correct answer would be answer C. Now, why did they put approximately there? Well, it turns out that the voltage drop is not exactly 0.7 volts, and also that it depends a little bit upon the amount of current that flows through it. So there's a slight variation. And so since we don't know exactly what the properties is of that diode, that's why they put the approximate answer down. But we realize that if we just call it 0.7 volt drop, 0.43 amps is the correct answer, so that would be the answer to pick. And that is how it's done. If you don't know it, you can't solve that problem if you don't know the voltage drop. Somehow I remember that from way back. I remember learning like 40, 50 years ago. That's the voltage drop across a diode, and it always stuck in my head. But yeah, if it doesn't stick in your head, can't do the problem.